Here's one of our lifted Z71s. This is a 2019 Chevy 1500 Z71 edition. This truck came in completely stock to us. We happen to have a tire and wheel package and lift kit available in the shop, so we took the time and did it up. You can see the price there. It's an Ecotec 5.3, 45,000 miles. We went a little aggressive with the tires and wheels. They can always be changed out. But that is a 24, 35, 1550 on an Axe off-road chrome wheel, 14 wide. And if you know tires and wheels right now, currently, there's nothing available. National back order on just about everything, especially chrome. Rough country kit. Bed cover, tow package, factory dual exhaust. This is an LT package truck. Of course, it's black, so it's a little dusty, but excellent appearance. Got the stance everybody likes currently with the bulldog fat offset. Good looking truck. Got any questions, give us a call. Jump on the website for a bunch of extra detailed pictures, but wanted to catch a quick video to show the stance of this truck because it's really impressive. It actually drives really good as well. Check this one out or any of our other inventory. Sports cars, classics, and trucks galore on the website. Davis4x4.com.